The fourth industrial revolution, or simply Industry 4.0, will transform the communication paradigm within modern factories. To meet the increasing demands of edge node sensing and computing, networks must support more sophisticated connectivity solutions. Organizations need a reliable top-to-bottom Ethernet solution to support higher data rates, increasingly more connected devices, and centralized supervision. Existing industrial environments use Ethernet for supervisory control and station management, but still rely on legacy field bus solutions to communicate with field instrumentation. Such legacy protocols need to be replaced and modernized with low-cost, single-pair Ethernet solutions, allowing tomorrow's factories to run Ethernet seamlessly from the cloud all the way to the edge. A new IEEE standard overcomes today's gap in industrial Ethernet by delivering low-cost, 10 megabits per second communication to field devices using two new physical layers. Wiring and installation costs can dominate the networking budgets for many modern factories, yet multi-drop Ethernet provides significant advantages over traditional solutions. 10-base T1S also provides unparalleled flexibility to repurpose nodes for ever-changing system configurations after the initial installation. Designed to provide reliable multi-drop Ethernet communication, the NCN 26010 from onsemi is the first 10-base T1S MAC plus PHY Ethernet controller available on the market. The NCN 26010 noise immunity extends well beyond the IEEE T1S standard, with a proprietary enhanced noise immunity feature providing robust signal detection in noisy industrial environments. In addition, the NCN 26010 also offers the lowest line capacitance to enable more than 40 nodes on a single twisted pair. This is 5 times higher than the number of nodes requested by the IEEE 802.3cg standard, maximizing the cost savings of cabling and installation provided by 10-base T1S solutions. Contact onsemi and learn how you can transform your factory with 10-base T1S.